With the blog page, you have a few ways to customize the layout and structure of the blog. First of all, at the top, there's a slideshow area. So you can select whether you want any slideshow or image at all to be at the top. You can have a single image that shows on every page of the blog section. You can have a fading slideshow gallery, similar to the one that's on the home page, and that can be on every page of the blog section. The last option is to have a fading slideshow image on the main blog page, but all the inner pages have just a single image. The reason why we did that is that the fading slideshow can get a little bit repetitive if it loads on every page, and also loading 5 images versus 1 makes the pages load a little bit slower. So a lot of people like to just have a single image once you're inside the blog and just have that fading slideshow on the main page of the blog. To edit the actual images in that area, you can use these tabs. For the single image, you can just click here and upload a new one. You can see that the images should be 1,000 pixels wide. The images for this slideshow section and this single image, they can basically be any height, but they should all be the same height. So if you go with 1,000 pixels by 250, make them all 250. So here's where you can upload that single image. If you're doing the fading slideshow, here's where you do that. It's the same as the homepage slideshow. You can upload a new image, and you can rearrange them by just clicking and then dragging and dropping them into order. And then if you need to remove one, just click delete. So let's look at the different options for the overall page layout of the blog. We have some mock-ups here to show the basic structure. You can have a full width blog, so there's no sidebar area with links going down the side. You can have a sidebar to the left. You can have a sidebar to the right. This widgets area at the bottom of the page is a good idea if you have the full width blog. Widgets allow you to add things like extra text and links to things outside the site. You can have list your categories, list your pages, that kind of thing. It allows you to add some of that navigation back into the site that you lose when you get rid of that sidebar area. And then you have the content of each blog post. You can decide to show either the entire post and all the content in it, whether it's a movie or an image or a series of images or whatever it is, or you can just show an excerpt of each post. Some people like the look of the full blog post because you get to see all the images. Some people like the excerpt because it makes your blog load really fast. And another good idea about the excerpt is that it gets people to actually click into the page of the blog post. If you show the whole thing, they kind of just scan down the blog and that's all they see. Sometimes it's good to give a little teaser and make them click into the post itself. This follow us options area, when you're using the sidebar, some of the themes use it in different ways. There'll be a little follow us section that has your Twitter link and your Facebook link and that kind of thing. You can either show that or not show it. You can change it to follow me if it's just one person, or whatever you want that title to say.